Hi everybody, CindyALewis here. Welcome. It is December 1st and I am announcing my December giveaway as we count down to Christmas this month with 25 days of Christmas wonder. All right, so to start off, we're going to start off slow with stencils, and I'm just going to show you, these are large stencils with a variety of different designs for you to use for your journal pages, for your cards, just really a variety of fun stencils, and anyone would enjoy getting these, so I think so. All right, so I didn't count them, but there's about 6, I think, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 large stencils. That's one set, okay? Next, I have a little Christmas cup with a little straw full of washi. So it's full of washi in there. I didn't even count how many there are, but there's a good number of washi in there. So that's another prize. Another prize is this junk journal kit. This is some bookbinding cloth and bone folders and a little stenciling brush there for your glues. So that kit. Then there is the green kit that I shared the other day that I purchased on Amazon Haul, and it is full of papers and all kinds of stuff. So this is another gift. It's called Forest Green. It is a junk journal kit, and it has the little notebook in there for you to start working immediately. All right, next is a set of 24 dual tip alcohol-based markers. They have the chisel tip and the fine tip, and they have these colors, 24 in a little case. Really good deal. All right, next I want to share my all-in-one trimmer that I love. I am giving one away. It is the all-in-one tool by We Are Memory Keepers. It is the one that I did all the videos on, how to use all the different functions of it, and it makes envelopes, it makes banners, makes all kinds of things. And so this is a really fine tool. It is my favorite, and so that is another prize. Then I have Grooves Plus. And if you don't know what that is, these are headphones. They're wireless earbuds. They are Bluetooth. There is a little case that tells you how much battery life you have. It will Bluetooth to anything that has Bluetooth. So your phone, your tablet, your computer, maybe even your TV. And I have these, not this exact design, but I have the Grooves, and I love them. I think the sound is amazing, and it does have the microphone as well, so you could talk into them. But I did want to offer this because I know all of you listen to my YouTube channel. So, and this is a beautiful floral design. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway. All right. And the last prize, are you ready? Drum roll, please. It is a Canon printer. It is a wireless print copy scan, and it is a Pixma MG3620, and it does black and color. It has a scanner capability, so you can lift the lid to do that. And I have not opened it. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to leave it the way that it is in the box because it's secure in the box, and it will ship in this same box to the winner. So I hope that you'll win. Don't forget to put the word Christmas in your comment below. This is going to be such a fun giveaway this month. whole month is going to be just fantastic, and I hope that you and your family have a wonderful Christmas, and your friends, and that I hope you'll participate in the giveaway. So thanks so much for watching, and thanks for participating in my channel. Thanks.